So guys, this is the Echogear in-wall power and cable management kit. So this is a up-to-code way of actually putting cords from like a TV into your wall and feeding them down. So comes with everything here. This is what it looks like. This is the TV that we just did. Cords are in the wall. Now what it actually does is it gives you two different receptacles. So it comes with a little hole drill right here that's included. You drill out a hole here, one at the top, and the one at the top has a cord that's rated to go behind the wall, goes down here. This is an extension cord that plugs in. It's like a 3-foot cord. And this is what the bottom will look like. Ideally, the bottom you'll have some furniture covering it, but if not, they do sell 1-foot cords that can just go straight across, and you can even cover that with one of those clip-on plastic coverings. So definitely would recommend this. This is my 3rd or 4th one that I've installed. Very easy to do. Just you need a drill, but it comes with everything else here. So would recommend it, so check this out.